Hello guys, today we are going to explore another wonderful feature of Adobe Illustrator, and that is the concept to vector. So if you are a basic artist like me, so Illustrator give us an edge to transform our sketch into high quality vector or 3D illustration. So what I have done, I have just created a simple sketch, and now we are going to transform into a vector form with different prompts, and let's see what results we can achieve. First of all, we are going step by step. So I have pasted my sketch into Adobe Illustrator, and now here you can see an option of concept to vector. You can also access this option from window and concept to vector from here as well. Okay, so first of all, I just want to transform this sketch into black and white illustration that I can color it myself. So let's start. Okay, so wonderful. As you can see that it has transformed our sketch into vector form, and it is 100% identical what we have fed him. Okay, now if you want to edit this, we can simply select direct selection tool and can hit delete so that the background is deleted. Now we can color it as per our preference. We can make it blue, red, or any other thing. In short, we can make it 100% editable. We can make whatever color we want to put it. Okay, let's go one step back. Okay, so in the next one, I will experiment by giving the prompts of color as well, and let's see if it is able to transform our sketch into a colorable or colorful vector. Okay, so I have put a new prompt in which you can see that it says convert to a clean cartoon vector, bright teal, fur, cream belly, and paws, ivory horns. So basically I have given each and every instruction to the Illustrator prompt what color needs to go on which part. Okay, we can also choose different model from here. For example, we are using Nano Banana Pro Gemini 3.0, so let's stick with it and simply hit generate. Okay, so it has transformed into a colorful vector, but the results are not very good. Okay, so it has transformed our sketch into a colorful vector. As you can see, the face, the horns, the eyes, each and every part is separate and colorable. Obviously it has not transformed the tongue as it was supposed to be, but at this stage I believe it is acceptable as we are just experimenting. So the result that we just got, I believe it is very much good. As you can see, the highlights are there, the shadows are there, and the basic solid color itself is there as well. So we can simply change each and everything. Let's suppose if you want to change the color of entire illustration, we can do simply like this as well, because each and everything is completely editable. You can see we can change the colors and everything is completely editable. We can do some manual working on the tongue, but for now I am just leaving it as it is. Okay, let's try another and the last prompt, and that is what I just wanted to experiment to transform this basic sketch into a 3D vector. So let's try this. Okay, so we gave the command to transform this sketch into a 3D vector, and it has done it wonderfully well. So let's experiment if we are able to turn it around by using the turntable option as well. So I've just removed the background. This is our new vector. Let's group it, and here you can see the option of turntable. Let's try this. Okay, so it has created multiple views, but if you are not getting the turntable option at the bottom, you can simply go to window and just enable contextual taskbar. Once you hit this, you are able to edit your prompt, or you can also use the turntable option. So click on turntable, and from here you can see that starting from the sketch we transform into a 3D vector, and now we can create multiple views of the same vector. So it's very much amazing that with little effort we can do great work. So this is a wonderful feature, and I found it interesting, and I hope you must have liked this video. So keep watching, keep sharing. Thanks for watching.